A normal, self-respecting motorist, of course, strives to keep an eye on his car, and we are talking not only about the technical condition of the car, but also about the external condition of his car. Probably each of you would like your car to constantly shine, and only some of the motorists close their eyes and drive like this. Here is the car. Well, it's not a secret for anyone that the warm season is rushing towards us. That's why today I'll tell you how to make your car shine on a budget, and it doesn't matter what car you have, new or old, it will still shine. To do this, we need to collect some water. And since we will be conducting the experiment on the hood, we need to clean our hood as much as possible. We take ordinary microfiber and try to wipe all the dirt from the hood from time to time. Add some water in this state. Let our hood stand for a while so that everything dries. After our hood dries out, the picture doesn't change much. We divide our hood into two parts. We won't touch this side, but we'll process this side as well. For this we need everything. Here is such a clean microfiber, and we begin to process. After that, we simply begin to rub everything into the surface of our part, periodically adding funds and immediately rubbing it. Well, let's see the difference. Here is the transition from the hood to the fender, and in the same way from this side, you can see which other part of the hood, of course, it does not shine as much as this part of the hood can be seen directly mirroring the sky and trees. Here is such a dear friends. The result is exactly the same if you raise the hood. From this angle, everything is clearly visible that the left side of the hood is much brighter. I use such a common tool for a torpedo.